दोस्तों, सितंबर के महीने में तमिल फिल्म एनिमी रिलीज होने जा रही है, जिसका हिंदी डब्ड वर्जन भी रिलीज होने वाला है। और मुझे कहने की जरूरत नहीं, इस फिल्म में है आर्या और विशाल। तो आज हमारे साथ है, यस, गेट एक्साइटेड टू वेलकम आर्या। आर्या, वेलकम टू कोमल नाहटा ऑफिशियल।
Hi sir, how are you sir? Thank you so much for the invitation sir. Really very happy
फाइन,
to be here.
आई एम सो हैप्पी टू बी इंटरव्यूइंग यू आर्या। ये पहला मौका है मेरा जब मैं आपको इंटरव्यू कर रहा हूं, और सबसे खुशी की बात यह है कि आपकी फिल्म एनिमी का टीजर आज ही रिलीज हुआ है। तो रिस्पॉन्स क्या है, क्योंकि सोशल मीडिया के जमाने में यू गेट द रिस्पॉन्स विद इन मिनट्स। व्हाट हैज बीन द रिस्पॉन्स?
I think it's been phenomenal. I think the whole the look and feel of the first look when we released the poster, there was a huge buzz. And
करेक्ट।
when the trailer teaser is out, it looks very stylish film. Actually, we have made a very stylish film, so people are like appreciating the way we have shot the film and the quality of production, everything. And it's between two actors who are real life friends. They're like become enemies. So I think that is a quite
Yes.
interesting part. So that's very engaging for the audience.
अच्छा, मुझे एक चीज बताइए, कितना मुश्किल होता है दोस्तों के साथ, रियल लाइफ दोस्तों के साथ प्रोफेशनल दुश्मनी निभाना? क्योंकि स्क्रीन पर आप दोनों दुश्मन हैं, रियल लाइफ में विशाल और आप दोस्त हैं। तो कितना मुश्किल होता है दो दोस्तों का दुश्मनी निभाना फॉर द कैमरा?
Yeah, it's very difficult actually. You know that you are acting, but when you are very mean to each other in the scenes, you feel really bad. You can be mean to a stranger, but you're trying to be mean, even though it is acting to a friend. It's quite funny actually, but yeah, it's interesting.
अच्छा, मुझे ये बताइए, दो कॉम्पिटिटर्स का, दो राइवल्स का फ्रेंड्स होना कितना मुश्किल या कितना आसान है? कैन टू राइवल्स बी फ्रेंड्स इन रियल लाइफ, प्रोफेशनल राइवल्स?
Yeah, professional rivals definitely, because you see in the movie, it's a very closed network, very emotional network. So the actors on the actors on the field, they become very emotionally connected because the whole day and night you're spending with that actor.
करेक्ट।
And you are sharing a lot of stuff, and so that's why I think people get very really close when you end of the film. So I think a lot of people get married also in end of the film.
Yes. Like you got married to an actress,
Yeah,
Saisha
yeah,
Sehgal.
yeah,
How did that story start?
yeah. I think we did a film together, but nothing happened in the film. Then later we got to, I mean, we spent so much of time together.
Hmm.
Then after that, I think the love and everything happened after that.
So tell me, you mean to say sparks did not fly during the shooting of your film together?
No, I think because it was quite too early, and I think that time I mean, we were more like friends and nothing more than that. So later it just developed.
अच्छा, तो मतलब फिल्म खत्म होने के बाद आप लोगों का लव अफेयर शुरू हुआ, या ड्यूरिंग द मेकिंग ऑफ द फिल्म शुरू हो गया था, लेकिन क्योंकि आप लोगों ने कह दिया था वी आर जस्ट गुड फ्रेंड्स, वी आर जस्ट गुड फ्रेंड्स, अभी आपको वही फसाद रखना पड़ रहा है?
No, it's not like that. Genuinely, we were friends. We were nothing. I mean, we just because I just decided I wanted to get married, and I asked her for marriage. So there was no
Mhm.
like going through a phase of being in love, dating. That was not there. So basically, it was like I would like to get married to you, and she thought for a while, and she said, "Okay, you seem like a
And
good guy, so probably I'll give it a try."
and she thought for a while. While का definition क्या है? कितने दिन
Yeah, I
या
think
कितने
I
minutes?
I think for good 3-4 months she was thinking about it, and she let
Really?
me know.
तो ये 3-4 months आपके लिए नर्वसनेस के थे, या आपको पता था कि एंड में तो ये हाँ ही बोलेगी?
No, no, no. I was not, because it's not only me. It's her career. It's her. She has to come to Chennai, and she's from Bombay. So too many things. So she had to evaluate each and every, which I really respect. And when finally she made a decision, I think she made the right decision, I would say.
And you have
I'm so
made the right
happy.
decision?
Yeah,
And you have
obviously
made the
I
right
am.
decision?
No, I
So
was not the one making decision, so it was her. So
अच्छा, मुझे ये बताइए, आपको किसी फ़िल्म इंडस्ट्री की लड़की से ही शादी करने की सोची थी या ऐसा कुछ नहीं था?
no, no, nothing like. See, you fall in love with a person, so it can be anybody. So I happened to fall in love with Saisha, and I asked her for marriage. So I'm happy and very lucky, I would say.
So you fell in love with her. She did not fall in love with you. She said yes after you offered marriage
Yeah,
or
yeah, yeah,
proposed marriage.
yeah, exactly.
बट मैं ये यकीन ही नहीं कर सकता हूँ, मैं ये बिलीव ही नहीं कर सकता हूँ कि आपके साथ वो प्यार में नहीं पड़ी। पूरी दुनिया आपके अनगिनत फैन्स आपसे मोहब्बत करते हैं, प्यार करते हैं, बहुत सारे लोग तो इश्क भी करते हैं। तो साइशा कैसे बच पाई?
So I think that's why I liked her very much, because she didn't think that I was good enough, probably.
चलिए, पर्सनल लाइफ की
I
बातें तो
think.
हो गई, अब एनिमी की बात करते हैं। तो विशाल और आर्या की एनिमी कास्टिंग में पहले विशाल साइन हुए या पहले आप साइन हुए?
Vishal signed the film first, and he
हुँ,
really loved the subject.
हुँ,
And
हुँ,
then he asked me to listen to it, and he said it'd be nice, you will like the script, and it'll be nice we can do it together. So once
हुँ,
I heard the script from Anand Shankar, the director, I quite
हुँ,
liked it, and it was quite challenging. He had a nice screenplay and very stylish. So I immediately said yes. So that was the association.
Arya, what is it that you saw in the script of Enemy that you signed this film?
I think the tug of war between two of them, the me and Vishal,
Mhm,
it was quite interesting. The screenplay, the idea, and the way they outsmart each other. So I think that part was very engaging and very fresh. I know a lot of films have come in Hindi, especially you see War also. I really like the movie War when I saw Ritik and Tiger. So I thought this will be in those scale, and this will be those ideas. So I think it will really connect with the audience, and it look very big, and it's a smart, very good commercial film, I thought.
ये तो एनिमी की बात हुई, लेकिन जनरली स्पीकिंग आप स्क्रिप्ट में क्या ढूँढते हैं जब आप एक फिल्म साइन करते हैं?
So I think mainly I would see when people narrate to me, I would see whether I'm getting engaged. I'm with that 2 hours or 3 hours when they narrate the script.
हुँ,
I shouldn't
हुँ,
feel like okay, I shouldn't feel like telling them stop it. I should be like wanting to hear more. So I think when you
हुँ,
hear a script or when you read a script, you keep you hooked. So only that I look for. That's a basic thing I look for. Not nothing more than that.
एंगेजमेंट, क्वालिटी ऑफ एंगेजमेंट।
Engagement. Yeah.
अच्छा आर्या, बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है कभी-कभी आपको कोई स्क्रिप्ट सुनाने आता है और 5-10 मिनट में आपको ऐसा लगता है कि ये तो बकवास स्क्रिप्ट है। मगर आप मुँह पर तो कैसे बोलेंगे कि आपकी स्क्रिप्ट बकवास है? सो यू हैव टू प्रिटेंड कि ओह येस एंड यू वांट टू yawn बट यू कांट yawn in front of him. हाउ डू यू गेट ओवर सच डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशंस?
I'll if it is a straight narration, I'll wait till the interval block. Then I'll say I didn't like the first half. So then
अच्छा,
he doesn't have to say. Then he doesn't have to say the second half. So but I wait. I give them the time till when they finish the first half of the film. So I don't
हुँ,
want to be
हुँ,
rude by saying okay, 5 minutes stop it, get out. I can't do that. So I give them the chance or the opportunity to till the first half if it is very unbearable. Yeah, that's what I do.
यू नो आप बाय क्वालिफिकेशन एक इंजीनियर हैं। एक इंजीनियर ने एक्टर बनने की कैसे सोची?
Uh, I think it was my first director. His name is Jiva. He's a cinematographer of a lot of Hindi films
सिनेमैटोग्राफर
also.
जीवा, जी,
Yeah.
जी, हाँ।
So he's the one who spotted me, and
हुँ,
for his first film, my first film was Ullam Kek Mein, where he was.
हुँ।
It was his second directorial film.
और आपकी भी
So
रिलीज़ सेकंड हुई थी।
yeah, that really second. But he really handpicked me from the mosque. So when I went for my
अच्छा,
prayers, he saw me there and he just handpicked me from there. So that had happened.
ओह! अदरवाइज़ यू हैड नेवर थॉट ऑफ बिकमिंग अ हीरो?
No, never. I had no
नेवर?
idea. Never.
ओह! अच्छा, तो फिर आपने नौकरी छोड़ दी?
Yeah, I left the job. Obviously, they kicked me out. But I asked for, I wanted to do the first film. So they said,
Hmm.
the director told me you'll have to be with me for 4 months. So I had just
Hmm.
joined the company and as a software
Hmm.
engineer.
Hmm.
So I told them that I need a 4 month break.
Hmm.
So they said, sorry, there are people, so many people dying to get this job, and you want a 4 month break. You please get out. So I had to make a choice whether to act in films or to work. So I think I made this choice.
तो आपको डर नहीं लगा कि अगर फिल्म नहीं क्लिक होती है, अगर मैं एक्सेप्ट नहीं हुआ, तो मेरा जॉब भी गया और एक्टर भी नहीं बन पाऊंगा? You
Yeah,
didn't get
yeah, I
scared?
had that problem. Yeah, I got scared. I was because the moment they kicked me out of the job, the movie took 3 years to release, so I was
Correct.
stuck in the film.
Mhm.
So I just didn't couldn't go anywhere. I was just stuck
Mhm.
there. They went into financial troubles, and the movie literally took 3 years to complete. So I had actually was planning to do my MS in the States. So I had actually got my admit everything, but thinking that the movie will get over in 4 months, I thought I'll finish one movie and I'll probably go back to the US and study, do my
Ah.
masters. But
Hmm.
everything, God had a different plan.
But what was your family's reaction when you gave up a job and you got into films? Were they supportive or not?
No, they were very supportive because they had no choice because I made the decision. And
Hmm.
I was working one day and then I said, I'm not, they're like, where are you going every day? What happened to your job? I said, no, I quit the job. I'm doing a film. So they're like, they didn't know how to react because you worked, you studied so hard, you became an engineer, and now you want to do films, and you don't know anybody in film. So basically, you don't have a film background. They don't understand the nuances of filmmaking or how it works.
Hmm.
Nothing.
Hmm. Hmm.
Even I
Hmm.
didn't know. I
Hmm.
was clueless.
Hmm.
So,
Hmm.
so my idea was just to do one film and go back to the states, for my masters. So, but like I said, it took 3 years. I couldn't go to the states. The producers wouldn't let me go. They're saying we invested so much money on you. Now we can't send you to the US and we can't sell the film. So you have to be here till you finish. But to my luck, they took 3 years to finish.
You know, आर्या, आपने तमिल सिनेमा तो किया ही है, बहुत सारी फिल्में की है, तेलुगु में भी फिल्में की है, कन्नड़ा में भी की है, मलयालम में भी की है, तो आपने सारी साउथ की लैंग्वेजेस में फिल्में की है और आपके फैंस, अनगिनत फैंस हर लैंग्वेज में, हर स्टेट में है साउथ के. So how does it feel to be a heartthrob of so many people, millions of people across states, across languages?
It's a good feeling. It's only I think I will only thank my directors who had made good films with me. So I guess when you do a good film and when they connect to you and your character, I think they start looking out for you and appreciating you and they want you to succeed. So I think it's all that love that all the characters that I've done is given me. So in that way, I'm very blessed, I would say.
You know, whenever you sign a film, आप ये सोचते हैं कि ये कैरेक्टर तो ऑडियंस के साथ बहुत रेजोनेट करेगा, इसलिए ये फिल्म क्लिक होगी. कुछ फिल्में क्लिक होती है, कुछ नहीं होती है. When a film does not click, how bad do you feel and how do you get over that feeling?
I feel very bad because everybody want their film to succeed. That's how they work. Nobody starts a film thinking, okay, this is going to flop anyways. So even if you are
Correct.
doing a bad film, you want it to succeed. But I don't regret it too much because only reason I did that film is because I love to do that character and loved everybody and I wanted to give my best.
Correct.
Definitely, failures would give you a setback and you will feel bad. But I never blame anybody for that. I just take the responsibility for it and I try to understand what I've done wrong or how I can be better this next time. And I never carry grudges or this director he gave me a flop. I should not talk to him. I never do that. I speak to all the directors who have done films, and I've done 32 films. I'm touching with all the directors and things like that. So I never have a bad feeling because everybody tried their best and nobody wanted you to fail. So you
Correct.
can't take them accountable for the failure of the film. So
Hmm.
uh,
Hmm.
I just take it as a part of life and just move on.
2005 में आपकी पहली फिल्म रिलीज हुई थी और अब 2021 है. 2020 में आई थिंक यू हैड नॉट अ सिंगल रिलीज, नोबडी हैड एनी
Yeah,
रिलीज.
yeah, yeah.
करेक्ट. तो ये 15 साल में हाउ डू यू लुक बैक एट द जर्नी?
Yeah, I'm very happy, very happy the way the life, my career, the films that I've done. Very happy. I have no regrets, and it's a time that everybody is going through. Everybody's going through a very tough phase, especially cinema,
Yes,
the theaters,
yes,
everybody. So still now a lot of OTT films. My two films have released on OTT, so they got a
correct,
huge reception. But still, when you want the movies to release in theaters and the audience coming in,
correct,
that's a different feeling. That's a different
correct.
excitement. So hopefully, very soon, inshallah, definitely, Enemy would come in theaters. So I'm waiting for it.
Yes, you are also a film producer. मतलब ये कैसे सोचा आपने कि आपको अब फिल्म प्रोडक्शन में भी कूदना चाहिए?
Just that, see, sometimes when you want to make films that you love, and there are so many production issues, and you are not able to do a film that you want to do a film that the way you want to do it. Sometimes there'll be so many restrictions, so many because of the budget constraints and things like that. But you will feel that, okay, maybe if you could spend a little more, then maybe that movie will turn out to be a little better. So
Correct,
when I feel that when nobody wants to take the risk of making a particular film, so I'll have my own production house to take that risk, because I'll have to
okay.
take my own risk. I don't have to put it on
Hmm,
somebody else. So that was the
करेक्ट,
purpose.
करेक्ट। और एनिमी का टीजर तो हम लोगों ने देख लिया, पसंद भी आया, लेकिन टीजर से तो बहुत कम बातें पता चलती है। अगर मैं आपसे ये पूछूं कि ऑडियंस को सितंबर में जब रिलीज होगी, चाहे वो तमिल में होगी, चाहे वो हिंदी डब्ड वर्जन होगी, मेरे ख्याल से दूसरी साउथ लैंग्वेजेस में भी डब हो रही है, राइट?
Yeah.
यस। तो
Telugu
वो
and Malayalam. Yeah.
तेलुगु एंड मलयालम, तो तमिल, तेलुगु, मलयालम एंड हिंदी, इन चार
Hindi.
लैंग्वेज की ऑडियंस को आपकी फिल्म, विशाल की फिल्म एनिमी किन किन कारण से देखनी चाहिए? व्हाट आर द रीजंस दे शुड बी रनिंग टू द सिनेमास टू वॉच दिस फिल्म?
I think it's more of a very engaging film, very like a tug of war between two characters. So you'll always want to see how. So you will think of a particular thing. It's going to happen in a particular way. Whenever you're seeing a film, you'll try to guess a scene, or you'll think, okay, this is going to happen next. I think it'll take a different variation from that of what you're guessing. So I think it's not
Oh,
predictable. You'll predict something, but it'll be something really opposite to what you are predicting. So that kind of a mind plays in the film. So it's basically a mind play between two characters. So that
okay.
I think the audience will really get hooked to.
सो इट्स अनप्रिडिक्टेबिलिटी। एंड इससे पहले
Mm.
आपने कहा दिस कुड बी द वॉर, जो ऋतिक रोशन और टाइगर श्रॉफ की वॉर थी, दिस कुड बी द वॉर ऑफ तमिल सिनेमा, डू यू थिंक सो?
Yeah, definitely. That's what I was to say. When the audience loved War, I think the audience will definitely love this film also. It's got the same essence, same kind of a mood, same kind of a grandeur. So I think definitely people would love this film.
Wow. So
Mhm.
here's hoping that this actually becomes the war of Tamil cinema, and the love for you and for Vishal grows multifold. Arya, thank you so much for being on Komal Nata Official.
Thank you,
बहुत
Komal.
बहुत शुक्रिया. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you.
you.
Nice talking to you. Thank you.
It was great talking to you. तो दोस्तों ये थे आर्या, इनकी फिल्म एनिमी सितंबर में रिलीज होने को है, एंड उस फिल्म का टीजर आज ही रिलीज हुआ है। तो कमेंट सेक्शन में जाइए और हमें ये बताइए कि आपको ये इंटरव्यू कैसा लगा, और आपको एनिमी का टीजर भी कैसा लगा, ये भी बताइए। एंड जैसा मैं हमेशा इन दिनों कहता हूं, स्टे सेफ, स्टे रेलेवेंट, एंड यस यू सेड इट, स्टे ट्यून्ड।